To be a true friend of Pakistan is a rare honor, and tonight, Friends of Pakistan celebrates a man who has earned that honor many times over. For more than 2 decades, one man has carried Pakistan's flag with quiet dignity, sharp intellect, and an unmistakable warmth from the corridors of Islamabad to the far shores of the Pacific. Today, we gather not to say goodbye, but to celebrate a remarkable chapter in the life of a devoted public servant, a respected diplomat, and above all, a true friend of this community, Consul General Asim Ali Khan. As he prepares to leave Los Angeles to take up a new and prestigious assignment as Pakistan's ambassador to the Kingdom of Norway, we pause to reflect on a journey defined by service, integrity, and an enduring love for his homeland. Every great journey begins with strong foundations. Asim Ali Khan's began with a rare combination of discipline and vision, a bachelor's degree with honors in mechanical engineering, followed by a master's degree in international relations. It was a pairing that would define his career, the precision of an engineer and the perspective of a statesman. In 2003, that vision found its purpose. Asim Ali Khan joined the Foreign Service of Pakistan, beginning a career that would take him across 4 continents. He rose through positions of great trust, director in the President's Secretariat in Islamabad and later Director General at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, each a testament to the confidence placed in him. His journey carried him around the globe, with diplomatic postings in China, Canada, France, and the United States, navigating complex foreign policy and championing economic diplomacy at every step. Along the way, he built a reputation as a diplomat who never forgot that behind every policy is a person, a family, a community. It is here, in Los Angeles, that Consul General Asim Ali Khan's leadership has shone brightest. Entrusted with an extraordinary jurisdiction spanning 10 western states, California, Nevada, Arizona, Utah, Idaho, Oregon, Washington, Hawaii, Alaska, and Montana, he served as a bridge between 2 nations and a champion for an entire community. Under his stewardship, the consulate became a hub of economic and technological partnership, culminating in the first ever Pakistan-US Tech Investment Conference in Silicon Valley. He championed the Pakistani-American diaspora at every turn, celebrating their achievements and strengthening trade and cultural ties. One of the proudest milestones of his tenure came when the California State Senate unanimously adopted a resolution honoring Pakistan's Independence Day. Consul General Asim Ali Khan led Pakistan's official delegation to Sacramento for the occasion, carrying the pride of the Pakistani-American community onto the Senate floor itself. In recognition of his extraordinary public service, the President of Pakistan conferred upon him the nation's prestigious Sitara-i-Imtiaz, the Star of Excellence, on Pakistan Day 2023, followed a year later by the Anniversary Medal from the SCO Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure. These honors reflect what everyone here already knows. He has given this role everything he has and more. But for all his titles and honors, those who have had the privilege of knowing Asim Ali Khan will remember him for something simpler. He led not through headlines, but through consistency. Not through rhetoric, but through action. Not by seeking the spotlight, but by helping others shine. He is remembered for his warmth, his humility, and his genuine care for people. A devoted husband and proud father of 3, he has always treated this community as his own family. His door was always open, and his commitment to those he served never in question. Now, a new honor awaits. Ambassador-designate Asim Ali Khan has been named Pakistan's ambassador to the Kingdom of Norway, a fitting next step in a career defined by growing responsibility and excellence. As he departs for Oslo, he carries with him the trust of his nation and the heartfelt gratitude of every person whose life he touched here in Los Angeles. Consul General Asim Ali Khan, on behalf of Friends of Pakistan and our entire community, thank you. Thank you for your service, your friendship, and your heart. Los Angeles has been fortunate to call you its own, and Norway is fortunate for what comes next. You will be missed here. To your wife and your children, thank you for sharing him with all of us and for standing beside him every step of this journey. May Allah Almighty bless you and your family with continued health, happiness, and success, and guide you in this next chapter of service to Pakistan. Congratulations, Ambassador Asim Ali Khan. And from all of us, Khuda Hafiz, and until we meet again,